Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will explore the Allow Change Consumed Item Quantity feature in the Assembling module in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Navigate to the Assembling module and open the configuration window. Here, you will find the feature labeled Allow Change Consumed Item Quantity, which is currently disabled. Let's first observe its impact in the disabled state. Now, let's create an assembly entry. Select the finished item and verify the assembly information. Let's try updating the quantity per unit of this component from 1 to 2. Since the Allow Change Consumed Item Quantity feature is disabled in the configuration, the quantity per unit field is not editable and cannot be modified. Now, let's return to the configuration, enable the feature, and observe its impact. Now, let's create a new assembly entry. Let's again try updating the quantity per unit from 1 to 2. Since the feature has been enabled in the configuration, the quantity per unit field is now editable, allowing us to update the consumed item quantity as required.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.